This screencast will briefly show you how to create a blog in Blogger. First, go to www.blogger.com and sign in with your Google Apps account. Make sure you include the @lpsk12.org. Type your password and then click Sign In. If this is the first time you've signed into Blogger with your Google Apps account, you'll need to set your display name and accept the terms of service. If you've already signed in previously, you'll see your dashboard, and then you can choose Create New Blog, and you'll get to the same place. For your display name, we typically use two things at Arapahoe: either your first name and your last initial, or your first name, last initial, and graduation year. Either one works. If you've already created a display name for another teacher at Arapahoe, you can just leave this however they ask you to create it. You'll also need to click I accept the terms of service, then click Continue. For the name of your blog, use your first name and last initial, and then Algebra Reflective Blog. For the URL or the blog address, use fish, then the first part of algebra, ALG 11, then your first name and last initial. Here's an example. Then click Continue. Here you can choose a starter template. You can also customize this later. For now, just choose simple, but if you want to go back later, you can. Then click Continue. Now click Start Blogging. For your first blog post, title it Reflective Blog Post Number 1, and then respond to the prompt on our class blog about what you should write about. If you have any questions, please just contact me. That concludes this screencast.